Hi everyone, welcome to a new origami tutorial. In this video we'll make a delta paper plane. This model needs only one sheet of paper, it flies well, and is very easy to do. I'll try to explain as best I can. I hope you can understand my English, and let's go! Take your sheet, and our first step is to fold in half, horizontally. Unfold. Now rotate in this position and fold the half of the upper edge to the middle. First the right side, then the left. Now in this position, fold the left corner to the right side, folding now in half vertically. Unfold. Now bring this line here to this line on the middle. And fold strongly. Okay, rotate in this position, turn over, and here on the top we have this line here and here. Fold in half this space. Reinforce the crease, turn over. Now a little attention. Bring this corner here to the middle, maintaining a space on the top. Like this. Just a little bit. Now repeat on the other side, connecting the corners. And in this little corner here, fold about these two folds. Now rotate, turn over, and fold in half. Right. Now we'll fold the wings. Just create a line starting in this point until the end. Something like that. Just watch what I do and repeat. And also fold a little in this bottom edge here, leaving more aerodynamic, like this. Turn over and repeat on the other wing. Okay. Now just open the wings and our paper airplane is ready. I made this other one with some variations, but it's almost the same. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed, don't forget the like, and let's test!